You guys are like, damn, you go to Target every single day, sis. Like, yes, this is my life. I do go to Target every single day. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. No, I'm so into you. Hey you guys, so what's up and welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, hello and welcome to you, girl. My name is Anissa. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? So in today's Mama Tings, you guys, I have a couple of things that I want to do. I need to style my hair. I actually got up pretty early today. Your girl's face is a beat already, and Rylan is up, so, and Noah's over. He's visiting for a little while. But yeah, I went to IKEA for the first time. If you saw my IKEA vlog, then you know. If you don't, go check that out. But I have a little inspiration that I took away from IKEA. I've been eyeing a black table kind of similar to the one in my IKEA video, but I'm thinking that I am going to make it a DIY out of our current table. I need to go to probably like the Home Depot or the DIY center to see exactly what I need. I want to get some measurements and see what it's going to cost to convert my table from my old table to that new black one that I've been eyeing for such a long time. I really love it. I want to do that, and I want to have it done before November because the holidays are here and we do celebrate often holidays here at my home. It's a small space, but we make the best out of it. So I want a really nice table for Thanksgiving this year. So thinking about doing that. Also, I need to clean my room, you guys. I have just clothes all over my bed. I need to put my laundry up and I need to stop putting it off. So we're gonna do that today. Also, I want new bedding for my bed, so I'm doing the laundry. I'm currently washing our sheets, and I want new bedding. So I've seen some nice quilts and bedding and stuff at Target that I really do like, but I don't know if the color scheme is going to match our decor. Whoa, what are you guys doing? You okay? Yeah. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna match the decor that we have in our room. And since we do plan on moving within the next couple of years, 1 to 2 years, I know we wanna get new stuff for our bedroom anyways, but I don't know, you guys. I'm trying to make up my mind. Every season I do buy new bedding just because the wear and tear on our other quilts and stuff like that, our other comforters and sheets and stuff like that. So we do need new stuff, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. But anyways, you guys, let's stop jibber jabbering. Let's get into the video. Let's get into this day. I hope you guys are having a wonderful and beautiful day yourselves. Let's get into this vlog, you guys. Okay, y'all, so I just did my hair, just finished my hair up, and now I'm hot. I have on this long sleeve shirt, and it is hot as a mug, okay? Not even just in the house, it's hot outside. Like, the weather is truly playing us like California weather does, okay? It was just windy and cold the other day, and now the sun is out, like, shining bright. Like, come on, why are you so bipolar? So I'm gonna change my shirt into something that is more fitting for the weather. I'm gonna get Rylan dressed. We'll finish getting her dressed because she's like halfway dressed and then Noah came. And then we are going to head out and run our errands and do all that stuff. Well, we have to wait for my sister to get here to pick up Noah. And then we're gonna run out and do what we gotta do. Okay, you guys, so we finally made it out of the house into the car. Our first stop was to drop Jojo off, which we did already. And of course, Rylan falls asleep on our way to drop him off. So she's currently sleeping in the back seat. Now I'm debating on if I just want to go home and let her nap and clean up my room, or if I want to, you know, break her sleep and then take her into the stores and such, which I don't really want to do. So I don't think it's much of a debate or a question. I think I'm about to actually head back home to let her nap so it won't affect her sleep pattern. So let her nap and then clean my room while she's napping, get that out of the way. And if we have time, then we'll end up going out, which I highly doubt it. We'll probably make it to one store. So I need to decide if I want to go to Target to look at bedding or if I want to go to the DIY place to look at the stuff for my dining room table. And I'm thinking I'm probably gonna go to Target, and I know you guys are like, damn, you go to Target every single day, sis. Like, yes, this is my life. I do go to Target every single day. But that's what we're probably gonna do. So that happens sometimes, you know, like you have a whole day planned out full of events, and then something with the kids changes it, and that's just that. So you got to plan for another day. So I'll probably end up doing the DIY stuff tomorrow. I think the table should be really simple though. Like I have the measurements of our table, and I want to make the new table just a little bit longer, not much longer, but a little bit longer. I want some black chalk paint. I guess my real like question and stuff that I need information on is the wood that's going to go on the top. Like I don't know what type of wood I need. I don't know if I'm going to need to sand it, if I'm gonna need to stain it. Like I'm going for a specific look, and I'll put like a clip inside this video here, like up here, so you guys can look at the ones that I really want. Like the one at IKEA is similar to the one that I want, but my real inspo, I'm gonna add a clip in here so you guys can see what I'm going for, the look that I'm going for. But yeah, we're back on our way. We're on our way home to go back home, because we didn't get anything done. Only thing we got done was dropping JoJo off. So yeah, it is what it is. We'll see you guys at the house. So you guys, we ended up pulling up to the house, and guess what happened? The little munchkin woke up, y'all. But I still need to do the laundry that's sitting on my bed, so we're just gonna do that. We're gonna sit in here in the bedroom. She's gonna watch some cartoons on her tablet while I clean these clothes up, hang them up, put them up, do what I need to do with them. So yeah, let's get started. Woo! 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 One and then a two, two and then a three, three and then a four, then you gotta breathe. One and then a two, two and then a three, three and then a four, then you gotta breathe. Then you gotta. Baby, what would I So you guys, I just started dinner. I'm cooking some chili beans and rice because I figured it's cool outside right now. So chili beans and rice would probably be like the best thing to eat right now. I can't wait. I love chili beans and rice, and so do the boys. Well, so does Ryan. Jojo will have to, you know, figure out something for him for dinner. But there's plenty of things in there. He'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. It's not a big deal. But I know I said it was hot earlier, which it was, but the weather is super bipolar. Don't forget, I said that also. It was hot earlier, but it's cold at night, okay? Like, very cold at night. So Rylan is on the couch chilling. She's watching some Muppets per usual. I am about to catch up on some shows. We'll fast forward through my shows. Married at First Sight, the finale is coming on tonight. I wonder who's getting divorced, who's staying together. If you watch Married at First Sight, drop it down in the comments below what you think. I want to know who your favorite couple is. I like Miles and Karen, but Karen I feel like is a true Karen. Like, she get on my nerves, but Miles is so sweet. I really think that he's a genuine guy, a genuine person. I think that she really needed to give him a chance, but you know how they say good guys finish last. I really do believe that's a true statement because he is a good guy, you guys, and I don't think that she is going to stick with him. I think that he's going to say that he wants to stay with her, but she's not going to stay with him. And I truly believe she wants a guy that is going to dog her, like dog her out. She wants somebody that's going to roughen her up, and I'm just not here for it. But anyways, let me get back to these chili beans and rice. And yeah. So you guys, it's some hours later. We just finished dinner up. I made some chili beans and rice. The boys are out still, so they haven't gotten home yet. But dinner is ready for them when they get home. This little one is sleeping. She had a busy day, so I'm about to lay her down. She already had her bath and she's in her jammies for the night. We changed in something comfortable to lounge around the house. So yeah, I'm about to lay her down, and then I will be right back. So you guys, I wanted to show you something. It is a fall, and I don't know about y'all, but I have extremely dry lips. I swear I have like chronic dry lips, if that's even a thing. But I wanted to show you, I have talked about this on my channel before. If you watch my beauty videos, then you know. If you don't, HUDA Beauty, the Silk Balm. The Silk Balm is the ish, you guys. If you do not have this, you have to try it this fall, okay? Like, please. And I know it's expensive. It's $22, but it's the bomb, you guys. Like, if you learn anything from me ever, learn this, okay? This Silk Balm is magic, okay? It's better than chapstick. It's better than lip gloss. It's better than anything I've ever tried, okay? And it better be shit. Ooh, excuse me. It better be, because it's $22. You know what I mean? Like, Huda better had came with that fire on the Silk Balm because it's $22, okay? But it's pretty good. Check it out. I know this fall, this is gonna be my go-to when it comes to my lips. Day, night, in between, everything, okay? I'm keeping this right next to me, and I am gonna have to re-up because I feel like I'm running low. I don't know if you guys can see how much is in here, but sis is like right there. Like, I'm running low, and when I take the wand out, it's even lower than that. So but it's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. I've had it on all day, and it's bomb, you guys. So like I said, don't say I never told you, okay, about the Huda Beauty Silk Balm, because it is good, y'all. It's good. Check it out. But I'm gonna get into my shows. It's on right now, so yeah. One more thing before I go and get into the show, y'all. My cardigan and this jumpsuit is from Missguided. This was part of my Missguided order. 2 things that I had ordered from Missguided, and I am loving them, okay? It's giving me cozy fall vibes, which I figured it would. I wanted to pair these 2 together when I saw them on the site, and I have to say, I'm in love, and I am impressed, you guys. I'm impressed. So you know your girl is tall, so I don't order too many pants or jumpsuits or jeans or anything from sites. And I have to say these are a little short. They're a little short for you, girl, but I made it work. I threw in some cute little socks and stuff to make it look real cute. I wanted to wear this with some forces, with some scrunchy socks and some Air Force Ones, but we'll see if that happens. I don't know if it will, because I just got to see how it looks together, style it together and see how it looks. But yeah, now I'm about to get into these shows. Okay, y'all, so I just finished Love at First Sight, and sorry, it was not the finale, it was just decision day, which is like finale to me, but the finale will be like a reunion, like other shows, I guess, whatever. But anyways, spoiler alert, if you watch Married at First Sight and you haven't seen the decision day video yet, don't listen to this part, okay? But I'm super happy with the outcome. Miles and Karen did stay together, even though it looked like she was about to say no. She was like real pissed off at what he was saying, but they said yes, they stayed together. Amani and Woody stayed together, which I'm super proud of both of those couples for staying together. Amelia and Bennett stayed together, and the other two I just knew weren't gonna work, okay? The only one that was really up in the air was Miles and Karen in my book. But I think that was my favorite season of Married at First Sight. I think it's like the most successful season, and I think it was my favorite season because there are two black couples on there who wanted to stay married, and I think that's a beautiful thing, okay? So yeah, you guys, I stayed up to watch that. It's 11:30 and I'm about to take my little butt to sleep, okay? I'm about to wash this makeup off, take the day off my face, and get my little self in the bed because everyone is already asleep. But I was up watching Married at First Sight, and I was doing some editing of another vlog. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and share with your friends. Y'all, don't forget to share with your friends. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.